In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome, step by step on your computer. This is a quick setting that can help improve performance, fix video playback issues, or reduce problems like screen glitches and lag, depending on your device. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Chrome, since this setting is found inside the browser's main settings menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu for Chrome. From the menu, select Settings. That will take you to Chrome's settings page where you can manage everything from privacy options to appearance and performance settings. On the left-hand side, click System. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the sidebar, because this is where Chrome keeps its hardware and background-related options. Once you're in the System section, find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This is the hardware acceleration setting. If the toggle is blue, that means it is turned on. If the toggle is grey, that means it is turned off. To enable hardware acceleration, click the switch so it turns blue. To disable it, click the switch again so it turns grey. Chrome may ask you to relaunch the browser for the change to take effect, so if you see a relaunch button, go ahead and click it. After Chrome restarts, the new setting will be active. If you're trying to fix browser performance, video issues, or display problems, it's a good idea to test both settings and see which one works best for your computer. Some systems run smoother with hardware acceleration enabled, while others work better with it turned off. And that's it. You now know how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.